Hi friends, in this video I'll demonstrate you that how a three-phase energy meter works. As you can see on my screen that the controller that I am using, that is basically a Arduino UNO, which is connected with the LCD display to display the values, and there are three identical circuits for three phase. So in each circuit, as you can see that there is basically two parts. There is one part which is named as a current sensor and the other part which is named as a voltage sensor. So what it will do just give you voltages and current readings directly to the Arduino, and in my case we are basically taking the AC value which is directly fed to the Arduino, and we are basically getting the data from the AC values. In some cases the as we have seen that they first convert AC into DC and after that they measure the DC, but in that case there is a little problem with that because of the fluctuations. The values are not that much correct, but in this case you will see that the values will be very much accurate and within 1%. Like there may be 1 volt up down, but the values will be very much accurate. And there is also a variable resistor, as you can see over here. This I have added this variable resistor to demonstrate the current as well, so that you can see that a real current is basically measured. You can also increase or decrease the value of the resistance so that you can control the value of the current, and that value will be displayed on the screen as well. So let's run the simulation and I'll give you a little bit of demo of that how this will be. Okay, so as you can see on my screen, let me just focus. Okay, so as you can see basically, so this is three-phase energy meter. This is voltage reading from part 1, or you can say phase 1, phase 2, phase 3. These are the current reading of phase 1, phase 2 and phase 3. This is the kilowatt reading, and this one is the phase 1, phase 2 and phase 3. So okay, let me, as you can see, let me, okay, it's just not fitting it. Okay, so now you can see, so you can see that the voltage of, if you check that the phase 1 is giving basically 225 volts and 3.56 amps. So let me focus first, let me show you the voltages. So you can see it's 225 volts approximately, and now let me show you the current, and the current will be up to 3.3 3.5. okay, so that is very much accurate as you can see from here. So after that, in second case, as you can see, the current is 0.21 amps. So if I just focus on the current, so you can see it's 0.22 or 0.21 amps. It's approximately same. So in case of third, it is 0.42 amps. So over here you can see it's 0.42 amps. So a circuit is very much accurate, and you can also, let's say, if I start changing the current, let's say if I make it for phase 3, if I make it like 1.82. so let me focus on the screen. So as you can see, it is 1.82. okay, so it's very much accurate as you can see. So if you need the files for this circuit, like the simulation schematics and the code as well, you can send a mail on my mail id. I will give my mail id in the description as well. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.